Hello everybody, hope y'all are all doing well. I got something new for y'all today. Inside this box is something relatively new by Neotech that most of you guys probably haven't seen yet or didn't know that they did. What we have here is a 72cc earth auger. Unboxing it for the first time. Now, it doesn't have any of the Neotech markings on the top. ET720 earth auger. But this is sold on Amazon under the Neotech store. Take that as you will. I got this one with 3 different size blades as a package because for my needs I may have to do different size holes. But I'm gonna get this gassed up, we'll fire it up. According to this label, which I thought was rather unusual, it's a 50-to-1 mix. So it's the same as a steel mix. This one's never been gassed, never been run, and I made a mess. This might take a little bit to start up. Got your on-off button, your throttle right there. And let's see. Right over here, you got your choke. Let's see what we can do. Alright, there it is, the 72cc earth auger by Neotech. I have more for you guys later when we use it.